This is an extremely creepy neighborhood. But what's the deal with this building? That was not me! That was not me! Look at the chicken. Oh yeah, baby! So I just put a new chain on this mamma jamma, and this thing, oh my god! It feels so much faster! Okay, it is not faster. It's just the old chain was messed up. And the throttle was not that sensitive, I guess, because there was lag. I'm trying to explain this the most retarded way possible. I never checked to see if I have gas, and gas is spilling. So I'm gonna assume I have gas, but it is spilling. That is an issue. Plus I'm wearing some shorts, cause your boy hecka white, and that's what white people do. Oh my goodness gracious. Whoa. You know, that's just sad right there. We're gonna have to pick that up. People need to learn to clean up their trash. Like, what the heck? It's so cold. So it makes me think somebody just opened it. Like, this is where, like, what the heck? The heck is that thing? I know this is where, like, serial killers live. Yeah, this is a creepy neighborhood. That house is still getting built. Looks like it's gonna be a pretty nice house. But what's the deal with this building? Does anybody... Okay, if nobody owns it, I want to go inside of it. That was not me! That was not me! What was that? What the... What was that? What the hell? I thought it was my brakes. That wasn't my brakes though. They make a little squeak like that. What's up, brother? Just talking to myself. Yeah, dude, that's a fancy golf cart, man. You just gotta nod at everyone and wave, and they won't call the cops 60% of the time. I'm not stupid. You know what's whack? Every time I come into this neighborhood, every time, I see either a four-wheeler or a dirt bike, and I can never find him. Like, it's always, I get into the neighborhood, and I see him, like, when I first get on the first road, and they're like a ways away, and then I just don't see him ever again. I just burnt myself on the exhaust. Look at that. I'm not stupid. Since it's been so long since my last video, I forgot how to record a video. So I'm sorry that this video is kind of trash, but I like, you know. That's clapped. I just noticed that. I don't know what I did. Yeah, that's no bueno. Hopefully that, what could I have done to do that? Because it also took off the tag. What did I do? Anyways, hopefully this bolt should hold up till I get back home. See, I like these bolts being long because if it starts to come off, it has a long ways to go before it actually comes off completely. But I don't like to put the long one right here because if I slide off the end of the bike, yeah, that's no bueno right there. Gosh dang, man, my bike's goofed up. Just kind of stopped uploading for a long time, but I'm back in the game, boys. Hopefully. It's kind of been hard for me to be motivated to make videos because I haven't made them in so long, but hopefully I'll edit something out of this footage. Yeah, you know how it is, boys. Like, subscribe, dislike, unsubscribe, do whatever you want. I do not control you. Thanks for watching. Peace.